Shout out mga bossing.
Mr. Jim Palillo, sponsored by Mr. Jim Palillo.
For the first runner-up for the Evelyn A. Rivera 2024 Season 3 Jaguar Basketball Women's Homegrown Division. Congratulations, Team Dukes! And for our season MVP in our first Evelyn A. Rivera Cup 2024 Basketball Women's Homegrown Division, none other than number 23, Elaine Laksamana Pacho. Congratulations, Miss Elaine Pacho. Thank you for watching mga bossing.